just like those better, and they were my original choice in the beginning. So I went ahead and used those, and I like it. The only thing I want to say is on these wall sticker situations, I have a little bit of texture in this wall. I don't know if it comes across, but it's very fine little texture, and because of that, they don't stick that well. A couple of them I put some glue dots on at the top, like this one and this one, the first four big ones, and then a few of the small ones I put some glue dots on, and even those kind of would release a little bit. And then the remainder, I just stuck them on there so that I could go back and try and I just wanted to get placement to see how it was going to look. They seem to be holding, but you can see this one right here starting to lift up a little. And I just have a feeling, unless I put some kind of tape or something on there, they may eventually start to pill up. And mostly with the big ones is where I've had the most problem. But in any case, I'm happy with how it looks. I'm pleased. It's almost like it says time flies at Mickey's place. And that was not the intention. However, it seems like that is the message that this wall is sending. So anyways, that was my little bit of creativity that I use my Dollar Tree flowers for to hot glue around the clock. And then the butterflies on the wall. And then these were those poster letters that I used, and that's just some scrap white paper on the back of that and some glitter glue that I already had. But yeah, so there you go. I just wanted to share it with you guys. And I think I've got a few more creative projects on my list that I would like to get to. So hopefully I can get those recorded for you as well. You guys have a great day. Thanks for watching. And as the wall says, time flies at Mickey's place. Bye-bye.